Now we will discuss mole concept. Okay, mole means, remember, it is a number, that is Avogadro's number. The symbol is Na. We can write this one 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It is Avogadro's number, remember. Suppose you have 1 dozen of banana, then it is 12 banana. If you have 1 dozen of orange, then 12 orange, like this. If you have 1 mole books, then it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 books. If you have 1 mole of bicycle, then it will be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 cycles, like this. It is a number, simple number. From where we can find the concept, you can see this one. First you should know we have 3 fundamental particles: proton, electron and neutron. Proton is the positively charged particle, electron is the negatively charged particle, and neutron is neutral in nature. So the mass of proton is 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Okay. The mass of neutron is also same, 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 gram. Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. If you want to write in gram, it will be 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 27 gram. Okay. Now you see here, the mass of electron is 1 by 1837 times the mass of. So mass of electron is 1 by 1837 times of mass of proton. So it is very, very small. So very small. Mass of electron is very small. We never take it into under consideration. Suppose you have carbon. Carbon have 6 protons, 6 electrons and 6 neutrons. We never consider this electron while we are calculating the mass. Okay. Mass of, suppose we are calculating mass of 1 atom of carbon, that is 6 mass of proton plus 6 mass of neutron. We never consider electron as it is very, very small in compared to the proton. Only we consider the proton and neutron. Here 6 protons, so 6 into mass of proton, 6 neutrons, so 6 into mass of neutrons. Okay. If you will calculate, the value will be 12 into 1 point. Here 6 you will take common both side. Okay. Then mass of proton and mass of neutron, it is also same, you can take. Or you can take mass of proton and mass of neutron common, then it will be 6 plus 6, it will be 12. So 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24. It is known as 12 AMU, atomic mass unit. Okay. So we write 1 atomic mass unit is 1 by 12th of mass of atom of carbon. Okay. 1 by 12th of the mass of the atom of carbon. It is 1 atomic mass unit. Okay. Why? It is 12 atomic mass unit in the case of carbon. So we can write the mass of 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atom of carbon is 12 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 24 into the Avogadro's number 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It will be 12 gram molar mass, or you can write gram atomic mass. Okay. So this is the concept of mole concept.